High level to bed, huge study, 3 art bed, 2 bath apartment with 2 car spaces, side by side, in Mascot Center. Positioned on a high floor, this exclusive Etowah bedroom huge study apartment boasts a generous open-plan layout with a lounge and dining area. Designed for modern living, it conveniently includes 2 car spaces, main property features, 2 secure car spaces. Security, intercom system, spacious and defined living and dining area, to spacious bedrooms, the main includes an suite and balcony access. Stylish kitchen with gas cooktop, 2 modern bathrooms, 1 featuring a bathtub, air conditioning throughout, internal laundry with a dryer. Additional lock-up storage cage, outgoings, approximate quarterly costs, water rates, 210, council rates, 390, strata levies, 1300